Hello and welcome. Here you will learn how to use CANape to add a new card to an existing VIO system. The VIO system is really easy to use, especially with CANape. In CANape, adding a new VIO system is as easy as plug and play. Simply connect the VIO system to the computer running CANape, and the software detects the VIO system automatically. With one click, we add all the signals to the measurement configuration, so there's no need to add them one by one. If you prefer the new device dialog, you can alternatively use this method to add the VIO system to a CANape project. Here are our signals, and when we drag them to a measurement window, we can right away start measuring. To install a new card, we have to power down the VIO system first. Then we plug in the new card and tighten the screws using the handy VIO System tool. We then turn the VIO system back on. As we see in the device configuration, it is not yet synchronized. We simply click on Adapt to Hardware to refresh the configuration. Now the newly added card appears. Our new VIO System I/O card is now ready to be used with CANape. In the device configuration, we see all the device-related parameters such as IP address, card placement, firmware version, and so on. We click on a card to see all of its details, just like the pin assignment. Let's switch to the measurement configuration. We click the VIO system to see the detailed parameters relevant to the measurement. For example, channel name, measurement range, sensor excitation, measurement mode, as well as measurement rate. Using the VIO device representation is a great way of keeping track of your signals. Just choose a signal and the corresponding card is highlighted in the diagram below. I hope you enjoyed these insights into how seamlessly the VIO system and CANape work together. Check out our other videos in our playlist to find the right card for your use case. Thanks for watching.